the given question says that if mass of 5 mole of AB2 is 125 milligrams and mass of 10 mole of A2B2 is 300 milligram, then the correct molar mass of A and B respectively in kilogram per mole is. So first of all, let us write what is given. So we are given that the mass of 5 moles of AB2, it is 125 milligram. And what is milligram? Milligram is 10 to the power minus 3 kilogram. So what is the mass of 1 mole of AB2? So 1 mole AB2 weighs 125 into 10 to the power minus 3 divided by 5, and this is kg. So this turns out to be 25 into 10 to the power minus 3 kg. This also, it is given that the 10 moles of A2B2, so 10 mole A2B2, how much this weighs? This weighs 300 into 10 to the power minus 3 kgs. So the weight of 1 mole of A2B2, so 1 mole A2B2, this weighs 300 into 10 to the power minus 3 whole divided by 10 kgs. This is the weight of 1 mole, and this turns out to be 30 into 10 to the power minus 3. Now assume the weight, the molar weight, actually the molar weight or the molar mass of A, this is x kgs, and the molar weight of Y of B is equal to y kgs. So this is x, this is y. Now let us focus on the molecular weight of 1 mole of AB2. So 1 mole of AB2, so 1 mole of AB2 is equal to the molecular weight of A plus 2 times the molecular weight of B. And what is the molecular weight of B? It is Y, and its value is 25 into 10 to the power minus 3 kgs. Now 1 mole of A2B2, so 1 mole of A2B2, what is it? It is twice the molecular weight of A plus twice the molecular weight of Y, and this is 30 into 10 to the power minus 3 kg. Now let this be my equation number 1. So this is my equation number 1, this is my equation number 2. What I would do is I would subtract both these equations. So when I subtract this equation, this becomes negative, this becomes negative, and this becomes negative. So x minus 2x is minus x, and 2y minus 2y is 0, and this is equal to minus 5 into 10 to the power minus 3 kgs. So the value of x, this comes out to be 5 into 10 to the power minus 3 kgs. Now this x I would substitute in this equation, equation number 1. So what this becomes? 5 into 10 to the power minus 3 plus 2y, this is 25 into 10 to the power minus 3 kgs. So what is the value of 2y? So 2y is 25 minus 5, which is 20 into 10 to the power minus 3 kgs. So what is the value of y? So y turns out to be 10 into 10 to the power minus 3 kg. And what actually y is? Y is the molar mass of B. And what is x? X is basically molar mass of A. So let us check the options, that A is 5 and B is 10. So the molecular weight of A is 5 and the molecular weight of B is 10. So with this we have completed our given problem.
Hello everyone, in this question we have to find out the number of oxygen atom in 4.4 gram of CO2. Now, let's see. Given mass of CO2, that is W, is equal to 4.4 gram, and molecular mass of CO2 is that of carbon 12 plus 16 of oxygen multiplied by 2. It will be equal to 44 gram per mole. Now we can find out the number of moles of CO2. N of CO2 will be equal to given mass upon molar mass, which will be 4.4 divided by 44, 0.1 mole. Now, let's talk about the compound now. In CO2, 1 mole contains is equal to 2 Na oxygen atoms. Now 0.1 mole will contain 2 Na multiplied by 0.1, that is 0.2 into Na is 6.023 into 10 raised to power 23. Now on solving it we will get 1.2 046 into 10 raised to power 23, or we can write it 1.2 into 10 raised to power 23 oxygen atoms. So our answer would be the first option. This is our answer. Thank you so much.
Hello students, let's start the question. 10 ml of 1 millimolar surfactant solution forms a monolayer covering 0.24 centimeters square on a polar substrate. If the polar head is approximated as a cube, what is its edge length? Wow, an interesting question. So let us move on. So over here, what we have been given, the volume in ml has been given, and that's 10 ml. Okay. Then we have been given the concentration of the surfactant solution, which has been written as 1 millimolar. So let us convert it to molar. So that would be 10 raised to minus 3 molar. Yes. Well, the area has also been given of the monolayer, and that is 0.24 centimeter square. Yes. Now, since a cube will be involved, we need to know the area of the cube also, because its edge length has to be found out. Yes, edge length means A, isn't it? Edge length, that is A, needs to be calculated, and the area of the cube which we will be needing is A square. Just for our information, I'm just putting it up over here. Now, first of all, let us find out the number of moles in this 10 ml of 1 millimolar solution. Yes, which is covering the specific area. Yes, so number of moles calculation will be equal to the concentration of the solution, yes, into volume in ml divided by 1000. Yes. Now, furthermore, let us proceed. This is going to be 10 raised to minus 3. This is 10. And here we have 10 raised to 3. So this becomes minus 3 minus 3 minus 6, and minus 6 plus 1. And that's minus 5. So 10 raised to minus 5 moles are there. Yes. Now let us calculate it in terms of molecules, isn't it? So 1 mole is Avogadro number of molecules. Yes. So 10 raised to minus 5 into 6, I'm taking a round of figure over here for the ease of the calculation. So 6 into 10 raised to 23 molecules is what is present in this 10 raised to minus 5 moles. Yes. Now these many number of molecules cover an area of 0.24 cm square. Yes. Therefore, one molecule will cover an area of, how much will it be? 0.24 divided by 10 raised to minus 5 into 6 into 10 raised to 23. Isn't it? That would be centimeter square. Now, why we have done this? Because the polar head over here is approximated as a cube. So we got to have the area occupied by one molecule, okay? And hence we would be finding out the edge length. Okay, fine. So in that case, this calculation, we will straight away put it into the area part. Okay, since the polar head is approximated as a cube, okay, therefore what we will be doing is that, therefore area of the polar head, that is the cube, will be equal to the area occupied by one molecule of this surfactant solution. Yes, so area of the cube is A square. Area occupied by one molecule is 0.24 divided by 10 raised to minus 5 into 6 into 10 raised to 23. Yes, so that becomes 24 into 10 raised to minus 2. Here comes 10 raised to 5. Here is your 10 raised to minus 3 upon 6. This cancels off. Okay, so furthermore, A square will be equal to 4 into minus 2 plus 5 is 3. 3 minus 23 is 20. So 10 raised to minus 20, and therefore A will be equal to what? 2 into 10 raised to minus 10 centimeter. Okay. Now, we know well that 10 raised to minus 10 centimeter. So we can directly convert it to picometers in this case, isn't it? So that's going to be 2 picometer. So the A, that is the edge length, is 2 picometer. Yes. And hence option number 2 is the correct answer in that case. I hope you understood the calculations and the explanation. Thank you.